Now we will continue with the anthropogenic sources. I think you are well aware of what anthropogenic sources means and how they can exist in the system, what's their behavior, how they differentiate, there are different kinds. So point source and non-point source. So can you differentiate between these two kinds of sources? So point source is having a single location, single source which is well defined. It is called a point source. While non-point source is like it is something whose origin is not known. So it is having a wide area covered, and normally the point source is in the form of channels, while this non-point source is in the form of area-wise surface flow movement of the contaminant or wastewater. So normally our drains are referring the point source, and our agriculture fields are relating the non-point source. Similarly, we have direct environmental pollution, which is very obvious, and indirect is again a resultant of some source. So I think these are some basic terms, and then what are the fundamentals, subsurface conditions? We must know. So it is like definition of environment. It is again the surroundings or conditions in which the person or plant lives or operates. All physical, chemical, and biological factors external to a person, all the related behaviors. The environment is all physical, chemical, and biological factors which surround an object and alters the tends to alter its characteristics. So simple definitions, and now fundamental knowledge on earth science. We are going to deal with interdisciplinary knowledge in our this course. We will be talking about the soil studies, we will be talking about the groundwater studies, we will be talking about the geology, we will be talking about the bedrocks, and we will be talking about the weather conditions as well. So before start studying this, you must know that we are mainly having in our overall sphere. Normally our sphere can be divided into four parts, and what are those four spheres? Biosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and lithosphere. These are the four spheres which are in which we commonly discuss our environment. So biosphere, anything living and which has life is included in biosphere. We have hydrosphere, anything related to water, the sphere of water. And atmosphere is everything existing above the ground surface is atmosphere. And then we have lithosphere. So lithosphere is the subsurface, and it has again so how far we can go into the subsurface, any idea? So what is the extent of our subsurface, any idea? So normally if you recall your previous knowledge, our radius of earth is about 6400 kilometers. So that means this is the depth, core depth up to which we can go.